Hi, my name is Jason. I'm here from Mr. Sewer, M-I-S-T-E-R, sewer.com, 1-800-GOT-ROOTS, or 412-498-1164. We've spoke to you today about it in numerous other videos about what kind of tools we have to perform functions such as cammering, snaking, trenchless pipelining, diagnostic location tools. I want to dive a little bit more deeper into hydrojetting and how it can benefit for a sewer here in Pittsburgh as opposed to the traditional snaking method. Sewer pipes in Pittsburgh are often made up of terracotta, clay, or cast iron pipes, or even PVC sewers, such as sewer lines for restaurants that have grease or various different clogs and such. Pipes get dirty. You're flushing all kinds of things down into the toilet, flushing it with all kind of sediment, build-up grease, etc. It's a 4-inch sewer pipe, a 6-inch sewer pipe. Oftentimes in Pittsburgh, especially in residential applications, sewer pipes are 4-inch clay leading out of the house into, which we've talked about in some of the other videos, into a 6-inch sewer pipe. So if you're trying to mechanically snake through a 4-inch pipe or 4-inch clean out with a tool such as this, and you're snaking through with a, let's say, 2 to 3-inch cutter head to clean out the sewer, by the time you get to the 6-inch sewer line, essentially the snake is just flopping around at the bottom of the sewer. It's not really effectively cleaning the tops of around the circumference of the pipe, as you see here. So you cannot perform proper cleaning actions with a mechanical snake. It's just not possible. Hydrojetting is a superior service to offer customers to really clean the sewer out properly and get the most value for your money. Obviously, sewer snaking is going to be a little bit more cheaper than hydrojetting because the equipment is expensive associated with the services. Hydrojetting is a very effective service that we can offer without digging up sewer lines. I have seen many misdiagnosed sewer problems that contractors or plumbers have tried to snake in a situation where you're going from a 4 to 6-inch pipe and not be able to effectively get a clog out. Reason being is because after the snake gets out so many feet, it's really inefficient at getting tough clogs and grease and other sediment out of the pipe because it's flopping around at the bottom. Essentially, if a plumber comes to snake a sewer, he's using a tool such as this with sometimes a larger head, and he's essentially piercing a hole into the pipe, as you see here. Assuming that this pipe is clogged, he's weaving the snake through the sewer line and just piercing a hole in that clog. He's not clearing the entire circumference of the pipe. So hydrojetting, we use a 4,000 psi, 18 gallon a minute to 20 gallon a minute machine, and we send a spinning nozzle into the pipe to clean the entire circumference. You've probably seen these types of machines around in the municipal environment. It's a heavier machine that's very powerful, run by a diesel motor, and it carries a water tank and effectively spins as it goes down the sewer in oftentimes 1 or 2 passes to clean the entire pipe. It provides you with a longer lifespan in, let's just say, a root-infested sewer pipe for the sewer pipe to be clean and actively stay clean. Once you cut a root with a hydrojetter or a snake, nevertheless, just like a tree or a bush, the root will go back 4 times out of the branch that you cut. So jetting, snaking, all permanent, all temporary fixes. Lining and dig-up methods are ultimately the permanent repair if you never want to think about it again. As far as hydrojetting is concerned, as I said, we use a very, very big machine to clean the sewer lines. It can often be done from a trap. However, we recommend that there's a clean out on site, and if not, have one installed if you're not replacing the entire sewer. This gives the plumber the ability, or when we have the ability to come back and service you in the future, in the advent that you're not replacing the entire line, we can jet through that clean out and effectively clean that entire sewer line out all the way to the main. Anytime we perform snaking, sewer jetting, or any type of sewer affiliated services, we always employ the method of using a camera. The camera, along with the jetter, is probably the best combination to ultimately, temporarily, or clean a root-infested pipe. If it's a PVC sewer and it just needs clean, jetting and camera work will clean your sewer out with some preventative maintenance, if you will. If you do some of these things and employ some of the techniques that we talked about today, you can ultimately reduce the case of having a backup or sewage problem into your precious home, such as your basement. If you have a finished game room, it's really just a nasty event. So your insurance company will love you because you're not filing claims, your insurance rates don't go up, etc., etc. So hydrojetting, by far the most superior technique for cleaning sewers. If you would like hydrojetting services or feel that your sewer is in need of some maintenance or cleaning we would show up on site with the camera and the jetter to perform these services. Usually they can be performed inside of a couple of hours. You can be actively using the sewer as we're doing the work, of course, and definitely a great preventative maintenance tool to use and service to have every once in a while. If you have a sewer line that is new, every, let's just say 5, 6, 7 years, you could consider having that inspected. Or if nothing's been done and you live in a home that's 10, 15 years old, you might consider having an inspection to avoid those unnecessary backups. So as I said, we're diving more into that hydrogenning. We really encourage customers to use that tool. It's really a great tool to clean the sewer. If you have any questions or concerns about sewer line work or how my company can help your problems in that potential field, please visit our website at www.mistersewer.com. Call us at 1-800-GOT-ROOTS or 412-498-1164. Thank you, and we look forward to your business.